Okay, can you guys hear me? Is my voice clear? Okay, all right. So we shall start. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology, currently working as an intern in Comnet Unicel. And our today's topic of event is Introduction to Landing Page using WordPress. So our director of Comnet, Sir Iswan Shuhada, has sent us a welcoming speech that we shall start with.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazwalam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thanks very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa, give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community to using this what we call landing page. So I hope this event called Introduction to Landing Page using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants, maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technology. So of course now we are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life, online purchasing, payment using e-wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn lots of about landing page using WordPress. And in Comnet Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress, especially focusing on the using landing page. So inshallah, enjoy your learning tonight, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so let's head to our WordPress slides. Okay, so what is WordPress? A landing page has the power to attract or repel a customer. It is the first impression of your online presence that customer judges your product for. So you need to have a perfect landing page. Otherwise, in simple words, a perfect landing is where a customer gets what he is looking for, and you get what you are looking for, a customer. When a customer visits your WordPress website, the landing page should ease your potential customers. They should be able to learn about the product, service that you provide without hassle, so that you can turn these potential customers into real customers. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page that a person lands on after clicking through from an email, ad, or other digital location. Once they're on your landing page, users are encouraged to take an action such as joining your list or buying your products. If the users take the specific desired action, then your landing page has succeeded in getting them to convert. Why do you need a landing page for your business? Landing pages are meant to facilitate a specific action you want a user to take in relation to your business objectives. They help to improve relationships with customers, intelligence about your business, and the success of your marketing campaigns. Try using one in your next campaign and see for yourself. How to promote a landing page. Landing pages are a form of advertisement. Unlike your business website, the primary purpose of a landing page is to promote one particular objective or any kind of product or service. So typically a website needs to provide an overview of everything you do and will offer an array of menu options for users to choose from. Conversely, a landing page generally offers one call to action and one place to click. The text and design are all meant to lead the user to one specific place. So this is a landing page we can use to promote a restaurant business. We'll create this landing page and the procedure to develop shall be explained as well. These are a few item promotion pictures of the business with their info shown beside, featured because landing pages are meant to promote products or items. Customers shall be able to order any item just by clicking any item that he wants to order, which will take them directly to the WhatsApp contact of the business owner that has been linked. How to link WhatsApp with buttons shall be explained as well. Different categories. A landing page is basically a single page, so the most specific products or items should be presented in our landing page and according to their category. As for example, in a restaurant business, main categories are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And at the end, we have a contact us form where the customers fill the information and send their queries. The details shall be received by the organization email. So let's head to our landing page using WordPress. So first we'll go to wordpress.com. And then you can see there's the Get Started on the top right here. Click on Get Started. You'll have to create an account first. So you can use your email and just choose a username, then give a password and create your account. Just click here. Or you can use your Google account or Apple ID. So I already have an account, so I'll use mine. Okay, so once you're inside your WordPress account, click here on the left and click on Add New Site. So at first, my site is called, it's the name of your business. So for example, I'm gonna give my landing page a name. So Mere Foods 2021. Okay, click on Continue. So we're gonna use a free one because it's an introduction basically. So we prefer the free one. If you want to purchase the domain, then you have to pay. So for now, we'll just use the free one here. Select the free one and click on Continue. So choose a design. For the design part here, we're gonna use a blank canvas. So select the blank canvas because we're gonna design it later. So we don't need to choose now. We're gonna skip the features as well, skip for now. And here comes the domain again. So we prefer the free one. So just scroll down and the free option should be here. The only difference is that you'll have a WordPress tagline after your website domain. So select the free one for now with a 3 GB storage space. Click on select and your site should be starting to build. Okay. So as you can see, our site has already been created. But the thing is, our site is empty right now. So something that we're gonna design like is I'll show an example. So for example, this is a landing page that I already designed. So here is the title. We have a cover image for the restaurant business, our business title again, then the sponsors, and this is called media and text. So it's basically the first impression of your business. For example, this one is a restaurant business, so about the food and a paragraph about the business. After that, we have a title again, which is about us. One more paragraph about the business. And then this is the main part, which is featured post. Featured post is basically the products that we are going to promote. So in a restaurant business, normally there's like 3 categories, which is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we use the cover image and the title is breakfast. Here we have media and text, media on the right and text on the left. We also have a order now button, which is going to take us to the WhatsApp business. After that, one more media and text. Just the direction has been changed. We're going to show how to design that as well soon. After that, we have lunch, which is the second category of the business. Then the media and text again. Similarly, the second product of lunch. Lunch, here's the first product, then our second product that we are going to promote. And as we know, it's a single landing page, so there's only one page. Normally in website, there's going to be more, but yeah, landing pages are supposed to be only single. And every specific products are supposed to be presented in the first page. So as simple as that. On the third, we have the dinner as a category. As you can see, we have a background that's fixed. We're gonna teach that as well, how to do that. We'll show that. Similarly, media and text again with the order button. And one more. So we use 2 products, each category. And in the end, we have a contact us form where the customers can fill their details and give us feedback. Any feedback is going to be received in the business email automatically from here once they click on send. So this is what we're going to design today and learn how to do so. So from the very beginning, we already created our site, so which is this Mir's Food 2021. We named it. So once we open our site, we're going to go to appearance, then themes. So the first thing we do is going to select a theme for our website, or what you call landing page. So for now, it's set to blank canvas, but we're going to search for Karuna. Like Karuna is the best for landing pages. It's like elegant and simple. So I prefer to use Karuna. Select Karuna, activate this design. Okay, so the theme has been activated. Now we're going to customize, click on customize site. Okay, there you go. So this is our cover image that that's going to be on top of the landing page. So we're going to change it to something related with food. So here, if you click on this button right here, you can change the picture. You'll be taken to the header image. Click on add new image. You'll have to upload the picture you want to set as cover. So we'll go to our food photos, which was somewhere here. Updated. Okay, there. So I'm gonna use this photo as a cover. Click open. And we have to crop the picture to the cover size. Select and crop. I'm gonna make it on center and click crop image. Okay, so our cover image is done and our title is here. So just click on Save Changes once you're done with the cover image. Okay, going back. Then we're gonna change our site identity. We're gonna go to site identity and set a logo. So if you have a logo for your business, you can select from here. So just for example, I'm gonna select a food photo again. If you have your own logo, you can use that too. So I'm gonna use this as a logo. Select, and I'm gonna crop it normally how a logo should be. Okay, click on crop image and here. So this is our business logo, just for example now. So we can also give a tagline. So taglines is basically slogans. So for example, eat good food, eat good food from Mere Foods. These are basically slogans just to promote your business. So you can set that too. Make sure you tick mark here on the display site title and tagline and click on Save Changes. And one more thing, we can also add the logo. For example, in WordPress, the logo is this, the W logo. So we can select our custom logo for site tabs. So let's select a custom one. We're going to select the same as the business logo here. Here it's how it's going to look once we set. So if you have a like PNG transparent logo, you can use that too. But for now, just to show how it's done, we're going to use this. Okay, so our logo is set. Click on Save Changes. Okay, so in the appearance part, we're done. We're done here. Going back. So as I told you guys before already, that landing pages are only one page. So just go to your pages here on the left there. Click on the pages. There should be only one page because it's a landing page and it's the home page. So click on the three dots and click edit. Skip this for now. We're going to start from the very beginning. So click enter. And once you click on enter, you'll see a plus button right here, which is for our title. So click on the plus button and click on paragraph. So we're going to name our business title here, which is Mears Food 2021. And this here is the alignment. So we want this business title to be in the center. So select on the alignment, align text center, and we're going to change the size of the title to large. So once you select on the block, you'll get the typography here. You can change the size, the height, and everything. So just change the size to large. Oh, okay, we have to select this first. Select and then large. There you go. We're gonna change it to bold to make it look a bit better. Okay, there you go. Click on update. So let's view our page so far, what we have done. Okay, there you go. So this is our page so far. We have the slogan, the tagline, the title, the cover image, and then the business title again. So after that, we're gonna add our sponsors. So you have to make sure that you have the sponsors image already set. So press enter, click on the plus button, click on image. So the image block has been set. Now just upload. Click on upload. So my sponsors image was somewhere here. here. Okay, so this is a sponsor image I already have. You can upload your own sponsors. Click on open. Okay, there you go. So my sponsors are Comnet, Masjid Unisol, and Unisol University Selangor. So I set them on the top of my business landing page just for as an example. So here is the alignment part. You can change the size if you want, but I'll just leave it the way it is, the normal size, and update. Okay, so let's view our web page again. Let's refresh. Okay, cover image, business title, and the sponsors here. Just as simple as that. Okay, so after that, we're going to use a media and text for the first impression of the landing page. So click on the previous block, 3 dots, insert after. So you'll get the plus button here. Click here and search for media and text, which is right here, media and text. So here you can add a media and the typography is going to be on the right. So let's upload the food that we want to promote. So for now, I'm gonna use this, just any picture, just to show how it's done. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Wait for it to be uploaded. So normally I prefer the picture, the media to be on the right at first. So if you want to do that, just click show media on right. Now it's set on left. So click here, it will be on right. And the text or the typography is gonna be on left. So we're gonna add a cover here. So it's gonna be a much better looking impression. So press enter, here's the plus button and search for cover. So basically cover is something that is basically an image that you can scroll, or what you say, the background is fixed. So once I show you, you'll get it. So I'm gonna use this picture as a cover and write the business title of our landing page, which is Mere Food 2021. So I'm going to make the cover a bit smaller. So you can just drag from here and make it small. Okay, there you go. It looks much better now. But the thing is, when you scroll, you can see the background is not fixed. It's moving up and down. So we want the background to be fixed. So just select on the block. And on the right, you can see there's the option fixed background. Make sure you turn this on. So as you can see, the background is fixed now. So when you scroll, you can scroll over the picture and it looks way better. Okay. After that, we'll take a look on our previous design just to relate. Let's refresh and check this out. Okay, we didn't update yet, so update. Okay, updated. Go to our site, refresh. Okay, so it seems like the picture is a little too big. So we're gonna use a smaller picture here. So we can just drag this and make the picture a bit smaller. And here, after the cover image, we're gonna add something about the business landing page. So we'll use a paragraph. So we can write anything about the business. So I'll just copy from my previous designs. So this is one of my previous designs, as I already showed you guys. So I'll just copy the paragraph from here and write down here. Okay, there you go. So this one is going to be mere food. So just changing the name. Okay, there you go. So what do we have after that? So as we can see here, we added an image, the cover image, and the paragraph, which is about the business. And after that, we have a simple title and a paragraph, one more title, and one more paragraph. So we're going to design this two now. This from here to here. Okay. So I'll just copy it now. Okay, there you go. Go to our landing page editor and add after this. So I'm going to make the size small. You can select here width, change alignment, and set to none. So it's a bit smaller, but it seems like I prefer the wide one more. It looks much better than the normal one. So yeah, I'll keep this. Click on the three dots, insert after. So we'll have to create a spacer, which is basically a gap between the about us and this median text. So click on the plus button, add a spacer. Yeah. So the spacer is gonna be 60 pixels. So px 60 is enough, somewhere around 60. Okay. And click on the three dots, insert after, plus button, and we're gonna add a paragraph, which is the about us. So about us. There you go. Change the alignment to center. Select the font, change the size to large, make it bold. And there you go, done. And click enter to add one more paragraph, which is about the business. So we're gonna, I just pasted it from the previous one. So set it as center, alignment to center, and then one more heading, which is, we're gonna add a spacer instead. So press enter and plus button, spacer. Okay, again, 60 pixels is what normally people use, so it's the best. Click on insert after again and write featured posts. So the featured posts are basically the specific products that we want to promote. So featured products. Okay, same, just align it to center. We're gonna keep the size the way it is, the normal size. So maybe the normal, yeah, just select the normal one here, or you can select a medium one. It looks nicer. So I'll keep the medium size. After that, press enter. Or you can just click on the three dots. Sometimes it doesn't work. So click insert after. Okay, there you go. Insert after and one more paragraph. We're gonna just copy from the previous design again. Hungry, take a look. Variety food. Okay. And paste it here. Change the alignment to center. This is how simple it is. Change the business title here. Mere Food 2021. Okay. So after that, we're gonna add a cover image. So click on the plus button right here, add a big cover. So as you can see, it's a bit smaller. So we want it to be full screen, the cover, which is the categories. The first category is breakfast. So click on this tree logo here, which is basically alignment, and change it to full width. So I prefer the full width because it looks nicer. Click on full width, upload. And for background, for breakfast, we're gonna relate to some breakfast photos. So we can maybe use this one. Okay, there you go. And make sure you change the block to fixed background. So when you scroll, it moves. And the background is fixed, so it looks nicer. Change the size and set the title. So the first title for our landing page business here is breakfast. Okay, breakfast title set. After that, click on the three dots, insert after. Here's the plus button, add button, and look for media and text because we're going to promote the products now. Okay, there you go. So I want it to be on the right, show media on right. Okay, changed, and upload our first product that we are going to promote. So our first product is this one. Just for example, right? You can use it for your own products as well. So just to get you an idea how it's done. So change the size maybe to wide width. It's already set to wide width. I prefer the wide one. Okay. And for content part, we're gonna type set one. So our second block is gonna be about the food or the title of the food. So for here, I've set one, then the title of the food, which is the product title basically, and something about the food. So honey pancakes. Honey pancakes and something about the food, which is this. So right now I'm just copying and pasting it to show you guys how it's done. Just press enter and paste it here. So now we're gonna change the size of the text to make it look nicer. So the first one is okay. It's gonna be set to large. I guess normal is better. It looks more nicer once you preview. So select this one, set to normal. Select this, set to normal. Okay, let's update and see how it looks. So there you go. So we have our first product to be promoted, but as we can see here, we missed a gap. So we have to use a spacer to create that gap. So the gap is missing right here. So click on the previous block and three dots, insert after. So you can see a block has been created here and we're gonna add the spacer. Click on the spacer, change the size to 60, or I guess we can use a 40 here. 40 should look nice. Update. And let's refresh and see. Okay, there you go. As you can see, the space has been created right here. It just looks a bit nicer. Okay, but as we can see, the picture is too big, but the size of the text are too small. We're gonna fix that. Okay, to fix that, we can change the size to full width. Nope. I guess I'll keep it wide width and change the size for the texts. So change it to medium. The title to medium. And the set to medium as well. Let's see if it looks nicer or not. Let's refresh. Okay, so like now it's more visible. We can see like we're gonna make the size for set one large. We're gonna change it for the title and the about. The size is okay, like perfectly fine and visible. So let's change the title site. I mean the set to large. This is the content here. Content. Change the size, font size here to large. Or is there any bigger? Okay, let's see how huge looks. Update, refresh. Okay, as you can see, the larger, the huge one is much better than normal. So we'll keep it this way. Okay, so set one, then the title, then about, and after that, we'll have to create a button so the people can order. Click on the plus button and search for button. Here. This is how simple it is. Just search for button and add it. And we're gonna write here order now. Okay, so we're gonna only use one button for now, and we'll show how to link the button as well. But after we're done designing it first. So let's design and then we'll link the button with our WhatsApp business. So this is the first set for breakfast. We're gonna create one more because we're gonna use 2 sets each category. So just click on the 3 dots here for this block and click on duplicate. So this is the best part about WordPress, that you don't need to do it again and again. You can just duplicate, simple as that. So select on the block again, 3 dots, duplicate. There you go. So the same thing has been duplicated once more. And to make it look a bit nicer, we're gonna keep the media on the left. So show media on left. All right, there you go. We missed a spacer here, so we're gonna use a spacer in the middle of these 2 sets. Click on the add spacer. It's right here. We're gonna create a really small spacer, like 15 or 16. Anything is fine. Just a small spacer. Click update. And let's see how our page looks now. Okay, so as you can see, our 2 main products is being presented here, right here. Simple and elegant. So we're gonna change the picture and the item as well, just showing you how it looks. Okay, so let's get back and change this one to set 2 and the name of the item. So we'll select the image first, click on the image, click replace, upload, and select the image that you want to promote or the product that you want to promote. So for now here, maybe it's a breakfast one, so I'll use this. Click on open. All right, so our second item is uploaded. Set 2, and we're gonna change the title of the product. So this one seems to be like strawberry and bread. Okay, and change the about here. Maybe write something about the food. Is basically you'll write about your product. So for example, here I'm writing about the food that we want to promote. So all right, there you go. We have the order now button that we're gonna link later for now. So first category, breakfast, and 2 items has been added. So after that, we're gonna create the second category, which is lunch. So to do that, just click on the breakfast category, 3 dots, and duplicate it. And we're gonna change it to lunch. So obviously we have to move this category after the breakfast set. So just click on the move down arrow here. Make sure you select the block, the whole block, and then click on move down. So click until you are on the bottom. Okay. So now we're gonna add same way the sets for lunch. So I'm gonna just duplicate again. So the first set, click on the three dots, duplicate, and move down. All right. Duplicate again because we have two products each category. So lunch, one more. Click on the three dots, duplicate, and there you go. Change the sides because like if it's on the same side, it doesn't look that good. So we prefer one on right, one on left. Okay, there you go. For lunch, we're gonna change the image or the product for lunch we have here. So for example, this is just example pictures, samples. You're gonna use this for your own business or maybe your own products that you want to promote. So I'll select this one. Okay, so this is our first set for lunch. We're gonna change the title of the food. So we go to lunch and we're gonna just copy it for now. Just remove this two and paste. All right, there you go. So this one seems to be a different item. So we're gonna relate to this item. All right, there you go. Order now button. And on the second set, we're gonna add one more image for lunch. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. Okay. It's gonna be our set 2 in lunch. The title is gonna be maybe rice and beef. Basically just your product names. Okay. And here, I'm gonna just copy from my previous site. So you can write your own ideas for the products, anything about your product right here. Just for now, I'm just copying and pasting it. Okay, we forgot a spacer here again. So don't forget that you have to use a spacer after each set. So click on the previous set, the previous block, three dots, insert after, plus button, and add a spacer. Make the spacer 60 or maybe a bit smaller. So we're gonna use 15 or 14. Okay, I'll leave it at 14. All right. Okay, so our breakfast and lunch is done. And we have to add one more, which is the third category, because normally restaurants have three categories: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we're gonna add one more, which is dinner. So I'm gonna just duplicate it. You don't need to create a whole image and like rename and all that. Just duplicate. It's way faster and smarter. And that's why WordPress is like so easy to use for landing pages or any websites. Okay, so the third category is gonna be dinner. We're gonna change the background image. So, okay, I didn't change it here either. For this one is for breakfast. So for lunch, I'm gonna use a different one. Click on the block, replace, upload. And maybe for lunch, I'm gonna use this. So different photos, different looks is much better. So, okay, one for breakfast, one for lunch, and for dinner, I'm gonna use another one. Select the block, click on replace, upload. Okay, for dinner, I'm gonna use this. No, it kind of looks like breakfast food, so I'm gonna replace it again. Maybe for dinner. Oh, I'm gonna use this. Okay. All right. Scrollable, and the background is fixed as well. Same way, just duplicate the sets, three dots, select the block. You have to make sure you select the whole block, not only the specific blocks. You have to select the whole thing. Select the whole thing, then three dots and duplicate. Okay, it has been duplicated. Move down, move down, move down. All right. After dinner, we have the first set. Replace the image. Click on upload. So basically, same procedure, just the way we did lunch and breakfast. So let me add this for dinner. And so this is our set one. Set one, and the title should be changed. Maybe fried rice with garnished leaves and beef. Okay, there you go. And you're gonna change this as well according to your product type. Just type anything about your food. So maybe about your product or anything. Just relate. So we have to create one more, which is the set two. I'm gonna duplicate again, change the sides to left to right, which is media on left and text on right. Set two. I'm gonna replace the product, upload, and I'm gonna maybe use this as a second. Okay, this is gonna be our second set for dinner, and change the title here as well. Set to fast food as dinner is never a bad night, or something about your food. Just relate, try and relate, and write about your food. Burger, sandwiches. Yes. Just make sure you promote about the food, about the product that you are trying to sell to a customer. So the good things should be presented. Okay, so we missed a spacer here. We have no spacer. I keep forgetting this thing again and again. Make sure you don't forget. So spacer, 20 pixels. Okay, should be enough. Click on update. And let's view our page, how it looks now. So we'll refresh. Okay, there you go. We have the first block here, media and text, about us. We have featured products, our categories, breakfast, the first set, the second set. Then we have lunch. Okay, we missed a spacer here. We're gonna edit this. And set two, we also missed a spacer here as well. Okay, after two categories, we missed a spacer. And then set two, set one and set two. All right. So it kind of looks elegant enough. We're gonna fix those missing spaces. So after this, we're gonna have to add. Select the block. Did we have a space here? No, it's missing. Okay, select the block, three dots, insert after, and in the plus button, just search spacer. Okay, make sure it's not too big. 20 is enough, or maybe smaller than that. 15 is enough. Okay, one here. We missed one. Okay, we have here. After breakfast, we have. After lunch, we added. And after dinner, we don't have. So just select the block here, 3 dots, insert after, the plus button, and the spacer. Change the size to 20, 15, anything is fine, whatever suits you. So this is the specialty about Karuna, the theme that we're using. It's kind of elegant and simple, and it's gonna help you create any landing pages very simply, and you can promote your products. So, okay, let's update and see how it looks now. It should look much better than before because we added all the spacers we need. Let's refresh. Okay, so as you can see, the space has been created here. It looks much better now. So this is our set 1 for lunch, set 2, dinner, first set, second set. Okay, so our 3 categories that we want to promote in our landing page has been presented already. So now we're gonna add a contact form so the people or the customers can give us feedbacks or give their responses. So let's go to the edit again. And remember, we have to use a spacer as always. After each block, we're gonna add a big spacer here because the category is just ended. So we're gonna add a contact form. Click on the plus button and search for contact form. Not contact info, it's a contact form for the customer's response. Or we can use a cover first. So I'm gonna remove this. We're gonna use a cover first. It looks more nice when you use a cover. So add a cover and click on upload. Add a background for the form that you want to use. So for now, I'm going to use this as a background cover. Click on enter and the plus button should pop up. Click here and now add the contact form. So as you can see, we have a beautiful background on behind the form, behind the contact form. And we're going to set the title as contact us / queries / feedback. So like any response a customer provides here is gonna straight go to our email that we used to create our WordPress account. So basically the person who owns the landing page is gonna get the email straight from here once the customer just select to contact us. So we're gonna change it to send because we already mentioned contact us here. And I wanna change the alignment for this send to center. Okay, so I set it to right. It's gonna be on center there. So this is how simple it is to create a contact form. Click on update and let's see how our page looks now. Click on refresh. Okay, let's see from the beginning. So we have our slogan. We have our title, cover image, our business title, sponsors, the first media and text for our business impression, or what you call the presentation, something about the food business, something about our whole business, which is the slogan, basically promoting the slogans. So if you're hungry, you can order from here, just promoting stuff. Then featured products are the categories, the specific products that we want to promote or show to our customers. So the first set, we have the button, the second set, and then the second category, lunch, 2 sets. Then we have dinner, and then we have 2 sets again. And at the end, we have a contact us form for the customers to send feedbacks or responses. So now let's see how we can link this order now button with our WhatsApp business. So there's a code you need to copy. So just type WhatsApp link, and you can see this website here, how to link a WhatsApp. So once you go to this link here, you'll get the code. So we're gonna copy the code here. This is used to connect a button with a WhatsApp business account number. So go to our editor again, and let's select a button. So we'll select the first button here. So once you select the button here, you'll see this kind of logo here. This is used for link. This is a link logo. So just select here and paste the code. And in the code, in the number section, you're going to use your own number. So I'm going to use my own number here now, just to show you guys how it's done. Okay. Okay, I put my number here and press enter. All right, so now our button is linked with our WhatsApp business number. So if you want to connect with your business, use your business number the same way. Set update. Okay. So similarly, you have to do this thing for other buttons as well. This one is not linked yet. So just click on the link logo here and paste your same code. Okay, we have some technical issues here. It's kind of unstable. All right, so just paste your code and press enter. Similar to this one. So for now, as an example, I'm going to show you only this one. So which is this. We already updated. Let's see if that works or not. So we updated this button, the first set from breakfast. So once we click on order now, as you can see, my name just popped up. So my business account number is automatically redirected. So that's what we want, a simple design to contact from our landing page. I also designed a few more WordPress sites using the same theme, but for different products. So this one was our first training for food business. You can also use it for other purposes. So for example, I can show you other sites as well. Let's go to WordPress first. So I have a lot of sites here, but with the theme that we used, we can design something like this as well. So this is like a bag, a backpack business we can use. Similarly, we have the products, the details, the price, basically showing off your portfolio in a landing page. This is the same theme that we used for our food business as well. You can use it for any landing page, any business you have, you can use this theme. At the end, we have a contact us form, a single, simple, elegant page to promote your products. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. I'm glad that every one of you participated today, and I hope I could help you guys learn something, even though it's kind of introduction to WordPress basically, but you guys participated. I appreciate that. So thank you. In future, inshallah, we'll have more events and hope to see you soon again. Thank you.